Hey everyone, I just received this Fanttik E1 NEX Workstation from desertcut.in. So it was priced at 12,500 rupees, but I got it for 8,500 using some coupon code. And this is imported from US. Okay, so I'll put the description in the video itself. And this is considered as one of the best screwdriver set in the world. And I already opened this box and let me reopen it again. So first of all, here you get a anti-static wrist strap. It's very tight. So you can basically wear it in your one of your hand, and you can basically attach it to the ground. So when you are like working with the electronics, you don't won't have the static electricity in your hand. Here you get a USB-C cable. So I forgot to mention that the screwdriver is a motorized screwdriver, so you don't have to manually like rotate the screwdriver. So you can charge using this USB Type C. And here is the user manual, and this is one of the like best part of this. Okay. So this completely looks like a tablet, okay, like the cover of a tablet, and I will compare this one with my MacBook. So here I got a MacBook, so you can see the size and you can see the thickness. Of course, the thickness is little bit there, but you can see the size, and it's so completely handy. So once you open it, you have to open it. So here you can see the Fanttik E1 Next Workstation branding, and here you get some serial number and all. So I can open it like this, and this mat is completely magnetized, so you can basically put screws here and it won't fall down. And here you get a lot of grease and the protector here, and after that you have to open it like this. So here you get a complete set of 64 bits and other tools as well. So in the screen also you can see like there are so many tools. Okay, so I'll go one by one. So this one is a like leather mat you can get, so this is just for the cover purpose, and there's a nice Fanttik logo here. So here you can see there are 64 bits. And first of all, let's go through one by one. So here I have the Jimmy. So this is generally used to open the screens of mobiles and all, like sharp edges. And this is very sharp. Okay. Here I got some tweezer. Here I got another tweezer. This is a reverse tweezer and it's very sharp. This is a splurger, and these are plastic splurger. And here you get a flex extension, so this can be bended. So I'll show you how it works. Okay, and there are some opening tools as well as the suction handle. You can basically use it to open up screens. And here you get some opening picks uh, for opening the like screens and all. So the main part is like here, if I close it. Okay, so here on the side you can see there is a like pen type of thing, so basically you have to push it, so the pen will come up. See, so this is one of the most exciting parts. So it completely looks like a pen, and it has multiple buttons. Okay. So first, you can see here is a lock mode. So that means like the motorized function won't work. And here we have the L mode. L means low torque, and there is a H mode. H means high torque. And here at the end of the like pen, you can see there is a USB Type C. So this is used for charging. Here you can see there are two arrows. So the, the first arrow, this is for tightening the screw, so that will be a clockwise direction, and the back one, that is for anti-clockwise direction. And so basically you can open the screw with this. So I'll show you an example. So I'll try to open my laptop. Okay, so that was one of my previous laptop. So I'll take this bit, and I'll just put it here. So it's completely magnetized. So I will put it to low torque mode, and you can see when I rotate this, there is a LED light that's flashing, right? So it's for your convenience. So I have an HP Envy laptop here. So I'll try to open like this with the motorized feature. So the screw is open. Actually, the screw is not magnetized yet, so I can magnetize the screw. So here there is a like function, so you can basically put the screw and it will be magnetized automatically. Now you can see the screw is magnetized, right? So again, I can put it in my laptop bag. So I'll just put it here. Now I'll tighten the screw. The screw is tightened. So it's so very handy, right? And you get completely 64 sets. And there are so many sets that you can use it everywhere, most of the places. And one of the very good functionality that I found is this flex extension. So you can just put it here and you can attach it. And suppose if you have some corners, something like that, you can basically bend it, right? You can bend it like this and you can rotate. So the whole rotating functionality will work if you are bending it. And it's so handy. Yeah, mostly that's all. And here, by the way, you get some box or a drawer where you can basically keep multiple screws as well. So this is the complete set. So there are 64 beads here. You can put screws here. This is for the magnet functionality. Here are some opening picks, and here are all the things that I showed you earlier. And to close it, you simply like do it like this, and you put it like this. And the pen you can turn it off. You can put it in the middle button, and then just insert it here.